welcome back to Erica's Best. You see, I am still baking cookies. So today, during our 25 days of cookies, I'm going to be making a butter cookie, a piped butter cookie. So you will get to see some different piping methods that you can do with this cookie to make really decorative cookies, make for nice presentation in a cookie box if you are going to give these to someone for the holidays or for any day. They make a really nice presentation. And so right now we have our butter and our egg yolk, and we also have a little bit of heavy cream along with our vanilla. And so I'm just going to give that a quick cream. And then I am going to add my flour and sugar and cornstarch all together, just little bits at a time. I'm just going to add a little bit in at a time. I'm just going to mix this a little bit together. This is a very rich cookie. It is very popular around this time of the year. You see lots of these cookie trays in the grocery stores, and this is primarily the cookie that is in those recipes. Just a classic butter cookie. And they definitely are a favorite of mine. I know I've said that a lot because I like cookies. So, but anywho, this is a very easy recipe. I'm just going to give you maybe 2 or 3 different piping methods that you can use to add that decorative touch to your cookie batter. So I'm just going to give this another little mix. And then we'll be ready to pipe. Show you some different piping methods. So I hope you are enjoying my 25 days of cookies. I know that it has been giving me a run for my money, coming up with different recipes every day and finding new recipes because, you know, growing up, you know, we had our favorites: peanut butter, chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, sugar cookies. And pretty much that was it. And then a little bit later, my mother started doing peanut butter blossoms, which is a peanut butter cookie with a Hershey Kiss on top. And you know, but today there's so many different cookie recipes. With YouTube, people have been putting their family favorites and, you know, grandma's favorite, and all these other recipes have been coming out, and, you know, and they're just wonderful. And so, you know, YouTube has brought out the best recipes ever. And so I am glad to share some of mine that I grew up with. So This one, like I said, it has been a favorite of mine. I did make these cookies with my children when they were coming up because, you know, I wanted to try some different things and see some different things. So this is one of the recipes that I have done many times. So I'll be right back to pipe these out, and I'll see you in a minute. So these are rosettes, and you just take this around in a circle. And if you like, before you bake, you can put a little nut in the middle there, or even a piece of a cherry, and make it a little bit more decorative, or add. Then I'll make one more of these rosettes. So if you see air pockets, like I just saw air pocket, like sometimes you see all these little air pockets, what will happen, I'll show you, when you're making your cookies. It hasn't happened because I let all the air out, but that's what could happen. So, up and back, up and back. I've seen these shapes before, either, like I said, at the grocery store, or somebody brought them to the office for a Christmas party, or something like that. But this is how you do it. So now you know their tricks. So that's what all of our cookies look like. We have a rose, we have a shell, and we have a log. And these are just like flowers. Okay, so I'm gonna bake these at 350 for 15 minutes. I'll see you back. Okay, we are back. Our cookies are out of the oven and they are looking delicious. These are our piped butter cookies, and one thing you will notice is that they didn't keep their shape, meaning they didn't look exactly as how I piped them with all the ridges. But if you want that to stay like that, you can refrigerate your piped cookie tray for about an hour before you bake them, and then they will hold the shape a lot better, and you'll get those defined lines. But they baked fine. They're very light and delicate, and I know they are going to be delicious, and that's the bottom line. So I hope you try this one. Please remember to like, share, and to hit the subscribe button. If you love what I'm doing and you want to see me continue, you have to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to continue taking these off, and then I'm going to give them a taste so that so that I know they're delicious. They smell amazing. I wish you could smell what it smells like in my house right this minute, because these smell amazing. Yes, so I'm gonna try this. This one's a smaller one, so that's why it baked a little bit more brown. It's not burnt, it's just a little bit more brown than, say, the bigger ones. So I'm gonna give this little bitty guy a taste. If you've ever had that little blue can of Danish butter cookies, these are better than those. And when they cool, they will be a little bit more crispy. Right now they're a little soft in the middle. The outer edge is a little crunchy, but the whole thing will be crunchy, just like those Danish butter cookies that you find in that blue can. Absolutely delicious. So there's our butter cookies, our piped butter cookies. I hope you share this with your family. Let me know what you think about this cookie once you make it. Show me some pictures. And remember, on Fridays, to comment the word of the day so that you can get some fresh baked cookies delivered to you. So I thank you for watching. And bye for now.